Hi folks, my name is Vitaly and I make a full-time income online thanks to doing niche marketing, and I actually want to show you how to do that in this video. And I want to start off by showing you some income reports that I have. The sales reports that you see over here, a majority of them come from a single niche site that I run, and I will be showing you that site in this video. And the sales reports that you see on the right over here are actually from a niche site that's related to something in dieting and stuff like that. Now I do also have Amazon sales where I promote stuff like drones and trail running gear and all this sort of stuff. It doesn't really make me a lot over here. See, it says 77.38, but it's still some income, and it just goes to show that niche marketing works. Now, in this video, there's a couple of things I want to cover. I want to show you what an actual niche is, because I find that the topic of niches is very incorrectly taught, and I want to make sure that you understand what a niche is. So by the time you finish this video, you're going to understand what it is, how to pick one. You're also going to understand how you can actually turn it into a full-time business. Now, I'm going to give you examples, like I said before, where I'll show you one of my sites. I'll actually show you 3 of my sites where I actually make an income from, and I'll show you how to start your own niche website for free if that's something that you're interested in. So let me get started by explaining what a niche actually is and then give you examples of that. So a niche is basically a specific audience of people that are looking for a specific product or topic and needs answers or help to those things. And it can also be a specific audience looking for solutions to a certain problem. So, for example, people that have knee problems are considered to be a niche. They're looking for solutions to knee problems. That's an example of that. Now, here are a couple of ways to identify what a niche is. Very oftentimes when people try to find what a niche is or do niche marketing, they're interested in that kind of stuff, they often end up picking something that is not a niche, something that is very broad, or something that is just a very vague topic that isn't a niche whatsoever. So for the purposes of just understanding the colors, anything that's green is a niche. Anything that's yellow is a broad topic, which could be a niche, but because it's broad, it's harder to make money with it. And anything that's red it's not a niche at all. It's literally just a very vague topic, and it's not possible to do niche marketing with it. You can make businesses out of these topics, but it's much more difficult to do. So the way that I personally find what how a niche from any topic that I'm wondering about is I'll take the most broad example of it. So for example, pain, and then I'll narrow it down to something specific like headaches, and then stopping migraines. So stopping migraines would be considered a niche. Pain, body issues, knee pain would be considered a niche. Coaching, life coach, dating coach. So you see how as I progress through these different color schematics, it becomes more and more specific, and the more specific it becomes, the more of a niche that it becomes. And these are other examples over here. Now, despite me giving you these examples, it doesn't mean that you actually have to choose one of them. In fact, one of the things that I said is that I will tell you how to pick a niche that is profitable and one that you'll like. And that is very important to understand, because a lot of people, they pick what they think is profitable, but not something that they like. And one of the things that is required in order to have success with niche marketing is you actually have to know the topic and understand it, because that is going to turn into something that you can put on your website, on your YouTube videos, whatever the case is, that you can get trust from people. Because if people want solutions to problems, like for example, how to stop migraines, but you have no knowledge of how to actually solve it, then you're not going to gain people's trust. You have to solve people's problems. That's one of the key components. And very oftentimes, in order to solve people's problems, you actually have to live that problem and have experience with it in order to do it. Like, you're never going to go to someone for health answers who's not a doctor, right? You want someone that's experienced and understands these things so they can give you the right solution to your problem. So that's another way to look at niche marketing. Now, for the next part, I also want to explain that niches can also be classified in a different way. For example, there's such things as evergreen niches. And it's very important to understand that evergreen niches are often one of the most profitable things that you can ever have in terms of a business. So if you pick a niche that's evergreen, you're likely to always have a good business rolling for you. Now, an evergreen niche is a niche topic that never loses popularity. They will always be in demand. So for example, gaming accessories for laptops, that's something that's been popular and always will be popular since you have the rise of YouTube, streaming, all these sorts of things. Trail running gear. People love running in the mountains and all this kind of stuff. Hiking gear, camping gear, survival equipment. These are topics that never lose their popularity. Now, in addition to evergreen niches, another very important branch to understand is that problem niches exist. And problem niches, in my experience, are the most profitable options. So problem niches are basically topics, specific topics, where the audience needs a solution to a problem. The more urgent the problem, the more likely they are to buy the solution. So for example, I was talking about migraines before. Migraines are a serious issue that people want to find a solution to. If you can create some kind of website or YouTube YouTube video and a person with migraine issues finds it and you're telling them what the solution is, they're probably going to take your advice or probably buy from you because they want that solution to the problem. So for example, how to get your ex back, how to stop knee pain, how to stop back pain, how to stop migraines, like I said before, how to stop depression. These are all examples of niche topics where there's lots and lots of people involved with this problem that they need solutions to. So that is also an awesome thing. Now you can very often have something that's a problem niche and an evergreen niche at the same time. So for example, how to get your ex back is actually an example of it, where it'll never stop. This is always going to happen. People are always going to break up and make up, and you're always going to have people looking on the internet to find solutions to how to get their ex back. So that's an example of an evergreen niche and a problem niche. So if you can ideally find a niche that is both a problem and an evergreen niche, that is an awesome combination. Now this leads me to the next part to explain how to take a niche topic and turn it into a full-time business. Now, in my experience, it's ideal to have the best of all worlds. For example, choose a niche that you love, have a lot of experience with, as something that is actually a niche, like I was showing you before, and if it's a problem niche, that's the best combination. I also forgot to add that if it's an evergreen niche, but you can also put that in here. So for example, I used to have knee problems, and I created a website that helped people solve their knee problems. That was something that I loved to help people get the answers to. I had a lot of experience with that personally. It was actually a niche, it was an evergreen niche, and it was a problem niche. So it was all a combination of these things together. That's why it was a good topic. Now, once you pick a niche out, you can also pick multiple ones, by the way, but one is enough to start with, and it's enough to keep you busy, because one niche site can become a full-time business for you. That's basically step one. If you want to turn that into a full-time business, step two would be to create a website or a blog for that. Now, you can also create a YouTube channel, but a blog is, in my opinion, more safer and more because you can't really get these things shut down with YouTube channels. Nowadays, if you say something that is like incorrect or something, people can complain about it and you can have that shut down. But if you create a blog, you own that. That's yours, and you can do whatever you want with it. And the next step, which is step three, is you want to blog about the topic, the niche topic that you chose. So, for example, if I picked the knee topic, topic niche out, I would basically blog about the best creams to stop knee pain, exercises to stop knee pain, how to relieve knee pain naturally, all those sorts of things. Anything and everything revolving around the niche. If you're talking about how to get back together with your ex, you can talk about different strategies. You can talk about case studies, about something that worked, strategies, all those sorts of things. Anything you can come up with. The more you blog about the things that are involved in your niche, the more your website is going to rank on Google and other search engines, and that is going to bring people who are interested in that topic to your website. That is one of the most important things that this process does. And step four is promote stuff on the site. If you don't own it, you can do something called affiliate marketing, or you can provide your own services. So for example, let's say that you're running a website about how to get your ex back. You can promote some kind of book that's not yours that you can make a commission for, that tells people how to get their ex back. Or perhaps maybe you're some sort of dating coach and you can sell your own services on that site. So someone that basically wants to get back together with their ex, they read your advice about how to do it, but they want your services. They want you to personally help them, so you can sell your services for whatever price that you want. That's an example of how you can take a niche topic and turn it into a full-time business. Now this leads me into the next part, which is there's two components necessary to really build a niche business, and that is step-by-step training and someone who's going to help you with this. That's just something I personally recommend. I have found that if you have good training as a blueprint to help you with this, and someone who actually understands how to do things, and they will help you not get lost. And there is a program that I personally learned my skills from to do niche marketing, and that is called Wealthy Affiliate. And it's basically a program that teaches you how to take a niche idea and turn it into a full-time business. It's also the program, like I said before, which allowed me to do this stuff personally, and I also coach people because I already have the knowledge to do that. One of the niche topics that I have a website on is actually called howtomakehonestmoneyonline.com, and here I teach people about how to actually make money online through niche marketing, through other means, and all that sort of stuff. So this website gets like 400 plus visitors a day, and I tell them different ways to make money online. They ask me questions. It's one of those examples where people have questions and they need answers to, and I guide them. I help them with these things. So that's just an example of that. And because I already know so much about it, through Wealthy Affiliate, I actually help coach people. And the beauty of it is that it's free to try this program. So there's a link below this video that'll take you there where you can sign up. And I'll show you a preview of Wealthy Affiliate in a moment. But if you sign up for free, you get 7 days of free coaching from me. And I'll basically help you find your perfect niche and help answer any questions that you have. They offer step-by-step training, which I will show you in a moment, which will take you through the process of picking out your niche and then building a free website that they offer you with that niche topic. So basically the starting points of that. You also get 7 days of free community access to their live chat where there's over 1.5 million people. So if you have questions, you'll be able to get answers. I'll also help coach you through that if you're interested. And there's also, like I said before, there's training on starting your niche business and building it up from nothing. So everything starts with an idea, and it's a niche idea. Once you pick that, the next part is to build an online business out of it, and that's what Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you to do. Now, Wealthy Affiliate does have an optional premium upgrade where the benefits are pretty much a lot more than the starter, but I do recommend that you start with the starters to see how awesome this program is. But anyway, the benefits of premium are there's unlimited access to all the training inside Wealthy Affiliate. There's unlimited coaching from me as long as you are a premium member. There's unlimited community access and help, so you can get help from other people besides myself. You can get up to 10 free sites, and you also get free tools, hosting, and security for your site, something that costs its own price if you do it through other means, but through Wealthy Affiliate it's all together, so you do end up saving money, and there's a lot more benefits. They also offer a special discount right now where if you sign up for free, and check it out, if you upgrade to premium within the first 7 days, they give you your first month for $19 instead of $49, and it'll be $49 every month after that, but the first month is going to be $19. So I do recommend that, but start with the free option. It's completely risk-free, and you can also get my coaching for free. No funny business whatsoever. I will definitely help you out. Now, let me show you what Wealthy Affiliate looks like on the inside. So before I do, let me just say that howtomakehonestmoneyonline.com is not the only website I own. I also have a site that teaches people about mud running, and I actually make sales through this site where I sell different kinds of accessories, products, and shoes. The niche topic here is people that are interested in mud runs. Spartan races, Tough Mudder, you may or may not have heard of it, but that's one of the niches. And this gets about anywhere from 70 to 150 visitors a day. Then I have a site that talks about drones. Drones are also a niche topic, and I actually made a sale on this orange one over here today and gave me a $30 commission. This one also gets anywhere from 50 to 100 visitors a day. So this is another example of a niche site. This is what Wealthy Affiliate taught me to do. So here's what Wealthy Affiliate looks like on the inside once you sign up, and you can also read these awesome success stories over here of people that have also been doing the training there and also creating their own niche websites. To hit 500 in 1 month, 2K in 6 months, over 7,000 in a week. There's a lot of people that are doing very well because they're using the Wealthy Affiliate training. And once you sign up, you will get that coaching from me. But to get started with everything, you click on training, online entrepreneur certification, click on getting started, and these 10 lessons are going to be free. You can check them out. They will set you up with your own free website, and I will personally offer you help here. So they'll help you choose a niche, which is lesson 3. They'll help you build your own website, and they'll help you keep going. If you like what you see, I do recommend the premium program. If not, that's cool. At least you get a chance to see how awesome Wealthy Affiliate is. And myself, since I've been through this whole process, niche marketing and all this kind of stuff, I will be here to help you along the way. 7 days for free and unlimited if you upgrade. Definitely take advantage of the free option at the very least. That's my recommendation. So I hope all these things that I was talking about in terms of niche marketing and how to turn it into a business have been helpful to you. And if there's any questions that you have, I'm definitely open to answer them. Just let me know. Thank you so much.